Most Americans waste over $2,500 a year on cheap stuff that breaks, underdelivers, or just flat out disappoints. So let me ask you, how many times have you walked out of Dollar Tree thinking, that was a steal, only to regret it a week later? Maybe it cracked. Maybe it didn't work. Maybe it just sat there collecting dust until you quietly tossed it in the trash when no one was looking. We've all been there, chasing deals that didn't deliver. But not this time. Today, we're flipping the script. Because these $7 tree items aren't just worth your money, they're small wins in a world full of overpriced junk. And number one on this list? It might just change how you shop for every party you throw from now on. So, buckle up, because by the end of this countdown, you'll see why sometimes the smartest purchases come from the most unexpected places. 7. Sure fresh freezer and storage bags. You know those freezer bags from the big brands that come in shiny boxes with smiling sandwiches on the front? Yeah, half the time they split open the second you pull one out. Or worse, they pretend to seal, and then you find your strawberries freezer burnt into tiny red ice cubes. Not these. Dollar Tree's Sure fresh freezer and storage bags might not come in Instagram-worthy packaging, but they do something far more important. They actually work. Strong seal, no leaks, no mystery puddles in your fridge. Tear-resistant, they hold up even when you cram in that awkward leftover turkey leg. Budget-friendly, $1.25 for a box that actually earns its keep. Meet Tammy, a mom of 3 from Indiana. Every Sunday, she meal preps like clockwork. These bags don't leak, they don't rip, and I don't have to cry over spilled spaghetti sauce anymore, she told us. That's not hype, that's lived experience. Because we've all bought budget bags before. The ones that pop open in the freezer, leaving frozen soup glued to your shelves like culinary superglue. It's frustrating, it's messy, and it ends up costing you more in wasted food than you saved in the first place. That's why these bags are a hidden gem. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. You're not cutting corners, you're cutting out nonsense. And if a $1.25 box of bags gives you one less thing to worry about in the kitchen, that's more than a win. That's a strategy. 6. LA's Totally Awesome All-Purpose Cleaner. At first glance, LA's Totally Awesome All-Purpose Cleaner looks like something you'd find in your grandma's garage, neon label, no frills, sitting quietly on the bottom shelf. But here's the twist, this unassuming $1.25 bottle is an absolute beast. Cuts through grease like a hot knife through butter. Dissolves grime you forgot was even there. Tackles stains that $8 bottles from fancy brands leave behind. This isn't one of those watered-down, meh, cleaners that just smells nice. This is the real deal. I'll never forget the text I got from my brother, the kind of guy who thinks Windex works on everything. He tried this cleaner on a dare after seeing it in a viral TikTok hack video. One use, and he was messaging me like he'd just discovered fire. Dude, this stuff actually works. From stovetops to baseboards, bathroom tiles to patio furniture, this cleaner doesn't just do the job, it embarrasses the overpriced stuff. It's like finding out the quiet kid in class has a black belt. No flashy branding. No celebrity endorsement. Just pure, old-fashioned performance. And when your home smells clean and actually is clean, that peace of mind is priceless. 5. Scrub Buddy's microfiber cleaning cloths. Here's a lie we've all been sold. If you want good cleaning cloths, you need to buy them in packs from premium home goods stores for $10, $15, or even $20. Yeah, no. Dollar Tree's Scrub Buddy's microfiber cleaning cloths do the same job, in some cases, a better job for a fraction of the price. Need proof? Ask Lisa, a janitor at a busy Ohio elementary school. I wipe 30 desks a day. These cloths survive it all. Wash them, use them again, done. That's not marketing. That's a professional who cleans for a living swearing by a $1.25 product. And if you've ever tried to clean glass with a paper towel, you know the pain. Streaks, lint, endless rewiping. Scrub Buddies don't play that game. One swipe and your mirrors, windows, and screens are crystal clear, no chemicals required. They're not just clothes, they're a quiet rebellion against overpriced brands. A reminder that value is still out there if you know where to look. 4. Seasonal ceramic mugs. You walk into Target, see a cute holiday mug, and bam, $12 gone. But at Dollar Tree, you'll find seasonal ceramic mugs for $1.25 that look just as charming, feel just as sturdy, and, in some cases, might even be better. Solid weight in the hand. Smooth glazed finish. Thoughtful designs that change with the seasons. Perfect for gifting, fill with candy, tea, or hot cocoa mix, wrap in cellophane, and you've got a cozy, thoughtful gift that looks boutique. One viewer told us she gave these to all her coworkers last Christmas. They thought she'd gone on a Pottery Barn shopping spree. Beyond the style and price, there's something deeper here. A favorite mug isn't just drinkware, it's a little ritual. That warm comfort in your hand during your morning coffee or evening tea. And knowing you paid $1.25 for something that makes you smile every day, that's the real win. 3. Glass mixing and serving bowls. When you think of Dollar Tree kitchenware, you might picture flimsy plastic containers that warp in the microwave. But these glass mixing and serving bowls? Total game changer. They're microwave safe and dishwasher safe, and they look expensive. I once used them to serve salad at a dinner party. Nothing fancy, just greens, vinaigrette, and cherry tomatoes. A guest leaned over and whispered, "Crate and barrel?" I just smiled. These bowls go from whisking eggs to storing leftovers to holding chips on game day. They don't stain like plastic, they don't warp, and they don't feel disposable. Best part? They stack neatly in your cabinet, ready to impress at a moment's notice. 2. Glass dinnerware, plates, cups, bowls. Here's where most people do a double take. Yes, you can get real, heavy, durable glass dinnerware at Dollar Tree. These aren't thin, fragile. Please don't touch plates. They're solid, weighty, and elegant enough to pass for something you bought at a high-end store. One bride told us she set her entire wedding table with Dollar Tree glass plates and cups. Nobody knew. Everyone complimented her. That's the thing about good design. It doesn't have to come with a big price tag. Whether it's a casual Tuesday night dinner or a holiday feast, these pieces bring understated elegance to the table. 1. Seasonal plastic table covers. If you've ever hosted a birthday party with cake-hyped kids, you know why this is number 1. Dollar Tree's seasonal plastic table covers aren't just festive, they're functional. They protect your table from spills, stains, and art project accidents while looking intentional. From fall leaves to birthday balloons to elegant holiday prints, they set the vibe instantly. The best part? Cleanup takes seconds. Just roll it up, crumbs, spills, and toss it. A mom from North Carolina told us, "I would have paid $5 easy, but it was $1 and change, and it saved me hours." That's real value, not just in dollars, but in peace of mind. And there you have it, $7 Tree items that prove smart shopping isn't about spending less, it's about spending smarter. So, which one surprised you the most? Or better yet, what's your go-to Dollar Tree gem that nobody talks about? Drop it in the comments. Let's build the ultimate list together. If you made it this far, do yourself a favor. Hit like, subscribe to Spend Smart, and check out our next video, 10 Costco items so good they destroy expensive brands. Because this isn't just about cutting costs. It's about making every dollar work harder for you.